Are you thinking of buying and keep asking yourself whether to buy new or go with an existing home? There are definitely pros and cons to each. Hey, this is Jason DeLong with Heartland Homes KC, and I want to clear the water when it comes to deciding between new or existing homes. Let's start with existing homes. One of the great features is that things like window coverings, fencing, and sometimes even a pool are already done and they're included in the price. It's also possible that your property lot will be larger than those that are offered in the new construction communities. And the neighborhood will have nice, lush, and mature landscaping. The downside is that the home is older, so you'll have to consider the age as well as a possible replacement of some of the major components of the home, such as the plumbing, AC, water heater, and the roof. With a new construction home, you won't have to consider the age of any of these components because they'll be new. Everything will be new and built according to the latest safety building codes. One feature that home buyers tend to like with new construction is the ability to be able to select their own finishes and upgrades. But be careful, this comes at a price. One new construction con, and it's a big one in regards to budget, is that you pay a premium to have the luxury of customizing your options, and it can be very easy to overspend on upgrades. The list goes on with pros and cons of each, but the best thing to do is get out and start comparing for yourself. If you're interested in a personalized tour of existing and new construction properties to help you decide which is the best choice based on your unique situation, give me a call. I'm here to help. This is Jason DeLong with Heartland Homes KC, and I'm here to provide you with a smarter approach to real estate.